What's up curls, today I'm going to show you 3 methods of how you can dry your curls for the least shrinkage. Here's my hair before drying and here's my hair after drying. As you can see, my hair is pretty long and hasn't lost any length in this drying process. In order to prevent shrinkage from happening, you need to control as much of the drying process as possible. I like to do this by doing 3 different methods. The first method is by using a diffuser. I am gently hovering over my hair, making sure not to touch any of it with the dryer, as this will give you the most frizz. The aim of this is to preserve as much of the curl definition as possible whilst drying the curls in their current form. The next technique I will do to create length is blow dry and stretch my roots. For this, I'm attaching a comb to the end of the dryer and gently creating tension at my roots to pull the curls downwards. I feel like this is the best way to create length as it keeps the curls intact but also gives you a bit more length at the root, which isn't visible to the naked eye. The third technique to use if you are still searching for more length is to remove the attachment from your dryer and gently pull on sections of hair, creating tension all the way around your hair, while gently stretching the curls. I wouldn't recommend doing this all of the time, especially if your hair is damaged or high porosity. In order to prevent any heat damage occurring, you can use a cool heat setting or just make sure that you use a heat protectant before styling. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're interested in seeing the styling process, what happens before the drying, just click the thumbnail at the end of the video. And if you're interested in seeing more of my definition and styling tips, click onto the playlist and I will see you next time.